So gentlemen, we begin our daily review of the index. And S&P 500 means look what happened. The situation was as follows. Powell spoke on Friday as a result. In fact, they waited for him for a long time. There was a speech in Jackson Hole. Powell came out with an aggressive enough policy and said that after all, the rate hike will continue. And he is very concerned about the problems directly related to the labor market, that is, labor time continues to strengthen, respectively, and this suggests that there is no recession. And this naturally leads to an increase in inflation, which actually speaking, and Powell is afraid. Therefore, this week we will have the most important event on Friday. It will be directly jobs in the agricultural sector, and they will show how much the economy is actually starting to slow down. This is what will determine the further dynamics of the American market according to S&P 500, so look after the speech there was an attempt to reach 4,200 failed. And after that, we fell to 4,025 in the end. We go naturally. We have a 4,000 goal here. 4,000 is where we can go if the data goes on the labor market even more growing. Let's go 3,900 here, and then there is a probability of 3,880. These risks cannot be excluded in any way. Look, if we look directly at the wave analysis, the picture looks like this. As soon as we reach 4,000 or 3,960, if we look at Fibonacci, then there is a probability of a new fifth wave at first, but it's too early to talk about it because while the rates will continue to rise, the market will not go up. Despite the fact that we have such progress, there is an upper hand, yes, at 4,320 and 4,520 in general. I know that the goals were at 4,440 and 4,600, but in this situation there will not be this rise yet, so we are waiting for the lowering to 4,000. That's how it's going on here now, and maybe 3,880 here, and this one. That's what we're going here. Here's this level. Look, Bitcoin in this situation. Of course, Bitcoin, when rates are rising, it cannot grow. Liquidity is declining. For cryptocurrencies, it's all very sad. It can go to 18,000 here, to 18,000 if you look here. Look at 18,000. We have goals and a support level of 18,000. From here you will go here. Yes, if look, Ethereum is drawn here 1,200.1200. That's where it will come from. At 1,200, if you look here are the goals of 1,280 and 1,200. There is the main support level there. Ethereum will come here. And at the moment the dynamics are only down here. This scenario shows exactly so that when the breakdown is just 1,400, where the border of the average quarter turns out, this is a breakdown that will lead to 1.200, and this is where we are actually waiting for the 1.200 tree on this, gentlemen. We are all waiting for Friday, of course, when the data on the labor market will come out and they further determine where the market will go. Our reviews will be every day, so do not miss and subscribe to our channel.